did you know that with Google Gemini you can easily edit text, all for free? So what you need to do if you'd like to try out this is go to aistudiogoogle.com and then you will see this kind of screen. Then on the right hand side you need to choose Gemini 2.0 Flash image generation experimental. Okay, so let's try editing some images with text. We will get to the model from this thumbnail on YouTube, but first let's try some other things. Click on image posting and then you will see the example. So hereby we have an example of croissant, and then with text we add some chocolate drizzle to the croissant. And in a matter of seconds, it added chocolate drizzles. Really, really interesting and really good and fast. So let's try adding some pictures. Click on upload image. We have here a picture of Arnold Schwarzenegger. Okay, and it's a black and white picture. Let's colorize picture. Enter. Okay, so you see, picture is now colorized. Pretty fast, pretty good, and you can download and use it for free. What we have a problem with this picture, I downloaded this picture from internet, from Alamy. So it has a watermark. Let's try to remove watermark. That would be rather hard, using Photoshop or what other tool. Here we can just add text. So remove. Okay. So you see, it's removed Alamy watermark completely. Okay, now let's have some fun. So for example, let's have an Arnold Schwarzenegger with long hair. Make him have a long. Okay. Okay. So now we have Arnold Schwarzenegger with long hair. And it's kind of funny, of course it is, but it works pretty fast and works pretty good. So now let's upload the image of the model from the beginning of the thumbnail of this video, and let's have some fun also there to see what is really possible. Okay, let's say change color of her bikini to blue. Let's see. Pretty good, huh? In a matter of seconds, completely and really kind of in very good perspective change the color of her bikini. Let's say, for example, let her stand besides Arnold Schwarzenegger. Let's see what will happen here. Oh my god, what happened here? Sorry, this is funny. So here we have Arnold, here we have Amber Queen, and I don't know who else. So AI kind of hallucinated here and added additional model, very Pantera-like model here. But nonetheless, let's see, let's play with it some more. So for example, let's remove background. Okay, nice. So now we have green background, white backgrounds. For example, let's have a green background that is used a lot of in chroma keys and a lot of different tools to kind of animate and put pictures, images and videos wherever we'd like to put them. Let's say green background. Great. Again, in a matter of seconds, we have really good picture with green background and all of three models right now here. Let's start from the beginning. Let's upload the image once again. And let's recreate the image that I have on the thumbnail. So what can we do here? Make her ride a horse. Let's see. This is not the same, but it did actually put the model on the horse pretty realistically, like she is riding the horse every day. Pretty good, isn't it? Of course, you can always see what is happening with the image. You can enhance the image, you can change additional details, and you can download the image all completely for free, as you can see. So images are completely downloaded. You don't have to pay anything. This is still experimental generation model, AI model, and for now it's free, and hope it will stay, because you can really play with it a lot. You can do many different things, as I showcased during this video, and yeah, we'll see where it goes, but it's already crazy. Yeah, so try it out, leave a comment there with links or descriptions of what you created. And yeah, I hope that you found this video interesting, and if you did, please do like and subscribe, and we'll talk some next time, next day. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye bye.